So first step is lay out all the parts that you need. The blue ones are the sides. This is the long one. One is the 8-foot side. This is the top and bottom. So we're gonna assemble it on the ground and then put it up. All right, guys, go ahead. So this one pushed in, remember Louis said you might need like a small mallet to put it in.
Sorry.
So it kind of locks in.
Make sure.
Oh, what are we doing? What happened? That was the wrong side?
The screw should be on top, the same size.
Oh, okay. So the screw face should be on the same side on the top. And then you can take the Allen key, which is included. You just turn it. It's just about a half a turn and it locks in. And now it's locked.
See.
And then you mount the corner piece. It locks in. And then you do a half turn to lock it.
That's it.
See, it's locked.
That's it.
It's locked. So that part is done. That's pretty simple. Watch your step behind you. And then now, this is the other side. So let's say that was the bottom, this is the top.
Same plate.
Same thing, just push it in. Half a turn. Half a turn. It's locked in. Corner support. This should be done with 2 people. It's locked in. Can you just pull on it to show that it's locked in? It's not going anywhere, it's locked in. All right, what's the next step, guys? So about the middle, same thing, half turn. Everything is just a half turn with the Allen key. It locks it in. Half turn. So now this is the long side, which is done. These are just extra reinforcements. When we went there was no reinforcements. I just ordered those. I figured
I
like
noticed
we-
there's extra
yeah.
pieces.
Instead of in the middle, or when it's assembled, I'll show you. We could put them in the middle if we want. Yeah. And then, okay, what are we doing now?
This is the connection to both sides.
Okay,
To the
this
valve.
okay, this is the corner piece that'll connect the 8-foot side to the 5-foot side. And then how do they know which side is correct and which side is incorrect?
You can see the 4 screws. It should just slide in. Because if you do it the opposite,
It won't fit.
it won't fit.
So
It
the
will
4
fit,
screws
it will-
just locks in.
It will fit, but this has to be facing in. Same with the other side.
Okay.
Sorry. There you
So you just drop it in like that, and then do we have to screw it?
go. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that was like very
So
loud.
that's a Philips?
Yeah.
No, that is a special.
That's a special one?
Yeah.
What is it, Alan? Can you show it on the video?
Oh, this comes with it.
Oh.
You guys want to use it?
No.
We
Alright.
just,
Special.
if you guys have a drill, you guys.
It's Hexagonal.
Okay, we're gonna pack it with it. With it. Yeah. It just has to go in. You don't need to over tighten it. It's not. Okay. So it'll fit with any screw gun.
Okay.
So they already put it in. Okay. So you guys put it in here now. Same thing. You're gonna tighten it. Oh, you weren't holding it. Sorry about the noise, guys.
We can use for the moment. Just stand it up.
Okay, so this is the side. So you assemble the other side, or you're going to just stand it up for now?
Just stand it up to move it out the way.
Okay. Oh, to make space, you're going to just stand it up.
I got one. It's up there.
Make sure two people do it so there's not too much flex.
With the design.
We're working in tight quarters. Raul, the top came out over there.
Se aflojó cuando lo moviste. ¿Esto lo aplicaste?
Sí.
Seguro.
I think the first time I wasn't doing it tight.
So the center bar you could even put up after it's up, right? That doesn't need to be put up right now. I'm just gonna keep running the whole time so you could even see, like, if something happens, how to like this, like a real life, you know.
This is good.
So one thing is you guys won't have this issue because you'll have a lot of space there.
Yeah.
Like we're like moving around like this too. We're just putting it up to move it to the side. Now we're gonna assemble the 5-foot section. Oh, they're gonna do it right here. They're gonna bring it here. It's just we have
You
like
can make both
limited space.
separately and then.
Okay,
together.
stop it here.